Pay attention to what I am about to tell you. This country is disappearing. The story of Tuvalu, rising sea, sinking islands. It's a series in environmental studies, and objective is to develop public awareness about environment. It is about you and future of your family, community, humanity, and this fragile planet. I, Dr. Mrinalini Lakil, welcome you in this new and possibly life-changing experience. Environmental studies is all about the way we should live. You will realize that how the human activities affect the environment and how we can develop sustainable strategies to protect our environment. Tuvalu is a chain of 9 coral islands in the South Pacific with a total area of 25 square kilometers and the population of 11,000. It is one of the smallest and most remote countries, halfway between the Australia and Hawaii. The biggest threat for world is rise in sea level and submergence of low-lying coastal areas. Due to rise in sea level, low-lying coastal areas will be submerged underwater. The greenhouse effect will raise the temperature at the poles, resulting in partial melting of glaciers. This will raise the water level and submerge coastal cities like Chennai, Mumbai, and Goa in India, Shanghai in China, some coastal places in Bangladesh. Rising sea level threatens also the other island nations like Maldives and Tuvalu. In Tuvalu, water has started flowing up through the holes in the ground, tides are higher and storms are more severe and more frequent. Waves wash over the roads. Coconut trees are partially submerged. The small patches of croplands are unusable because of encroachment of salt water. This is because of the reckless burning of fossil fuel by the rich countries, which resulted in the sea level rise and global warming. The people of Tuvalu survive on agriculture and fishing. They don't contribute to the global warming, but they may be forced to evacuate their country within the next 50 years. Who will give them the shelter? Who will give them the bread butter? While Australia does not want them, New Zealand is ready to take half the population and give them the farm jobs. This is the story of Tuvalu. But the Tuvalu is not alone. There are some other island nations as well, like Fiji and Solomon Islands. They have larger population. Where will they go? Tuvaluans feel that they are being punished for no fault of theirs. Tuvaluans are sad and angry at the same time. Tuvaluans are sad because eventually they will have to move. They are angry because this is not their doing, but the doing of others who don't care, who are looking after their needs only and not the bigger picture. Tuvalu may well become the first country in the world to disappear due to global warming. When the Tuvaluans leave their homes, who will compensate them for the loss of their language, culture, and the way of life? Can we do something to save Tuvalu? Yes, definitely. Why Tuvalu is sinking? What is the cause of rise in sea level? Sea level rises because of global warming, of the earth. Why does Earth's temperature increase? It is because of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapors, etc. Human activities are causing the rapid increase in the amount of 30 greenhouse gases. How can we reduce carbon dioxide? By growing plants, by planting trees. Plants consume carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. What they do with carbon dioxide? They form leaves, branches, flowers, fruits from carbon dioxide. In this way, they reduce concentration of this greenhouse gas. So grow plants, grow many plants, grow trees. If possible, grow forests. And whenever you see new leaf in your plant, it will be your contribution to save Tuvalu. And to know more about greenhouse effect and global warming, stay tuned to the next video. Thank you.